Behind the pretty spring blossom is a care home in mourning. In the last 3 weeks, 24 of the 140 residents at Bradwell Hall Nursing Home in Newcastle-under-Lyme have died. 8 tested positive for COVID-19. The rest died after suffering pneumonia-like symptoms, but weren't tested. The home has since closed to new admissions and is working closely with Staffordshire County Council and Public Health England.
It's very sad that so many elderly and vulnerable people have had the infection. We now appear to be past the worst of it, although we do expect, unfortunately, that there may be a number of additional cases.
The news comes after fears the virus has claimed thousands of lives in care homes across the UK. In Nottinghamshire, staff at Wren Hall Nursing Home in Selston have been left heartbroken after 9 of their residents died from suspected coronavirus. In response, ministers have now promised all care home residents and staff showing symptoms will be tested.
All care home residents who are discharged from hospital will be tested before being admitted into their care home. We'll test all symptomatic care home residents, and as I announced last Friday, we've introduced testing for all social care colleagues and members of their households who need a test.
But not everyone is convinced. Anita Astle fears the tests aren't sufficiently accurate and thinks it could provide a false sense of security.
I just wish we'd have an antibody test and then we'd know whether we have immunity, whether we don't, and then we can start to shield those who don't have immunity, and those that have got immunity can be less frightened.
At Bradwell Hall Nursing Home, 10 other residents and 1 staff member are still self-isolating after testing positive for the disease. The home has also implemented strict cleansing rules, but the fear is this invisible enemy may yet claim more victims. Brewster, ITV News.